Okay, so now I'm going to be running through the trade that I took today on NQ. This was from a 1 minute inversion. This was an extremely clean trade. I took this 6 minutes into market open, so I'm just going to go through the confluences for this trade. So the first thing that I was looking for was a 9:30 open low and to leave all this low resistance liquidity resting up here. And as you can see, 9:30 open is this candle right here. Market open, we had our open low, we came lower, and then we had a little miniature pull higher, leaving a sell side liquidity wick resting inside this hourly fair value gap. So after I saw that, I wanted this sell side liquidity to get swept and another tap into the hourly. As you can see, we had this sell side liquidity sweep and we fully filled this hourly fair value gap. Then we created the first presented fair value gap after 9:30, which is a very strong entry point. Once price inversed this, and I knew we would have a hunt on buy side liquidity, which was this recent buy side swing high right here. So this was my target, as well as a raid of all this low resistance liquidity resting above these highs here. And as you can see, we had very strong displacement to the upside as soon as we inverse this fair value gap. Stop loss was once we get a candle closure below this gap, which we never got. And we've just flew straight up to the buy side liquidity within 3 minutes of entry. So this was a great trade. I made around 300 on this trade. I went quite light size on this due to the fact that on the daily charts we had a bearish sweep. I'll just show you this. So at the moment in time before I was taking this trade, we were sweeping this high up here. So I was looking for a potential bearish day. That was a very bearish confluence for me. And then on the 4 hour, we had this 4 hour intermediate term low down here create a big bearish SMT. So after seeing an extremely bearish confluence matching an extremely bullish confluence, I was expecting a range trading day. And as you can see, since market open, which was this candle right here, we have been very range bound all day. We have started to create a bit more volume now. However, I don't trade outside of the New York AM session. But yeah, so that was the trade that I took today, and those were the confluences behind it. But that's going to be all for this video.